Today I will show you how to install the MySQL. To install the MySQL, you have to go mysql.com. Here you can see one option of downloads is there. Click on that. It will show you the option that MySQL Community GPL. Go to that page. You can see so many options are there that you can download, but you have to choose Community Server. Once you click it, you have to select the operating system from it. Now Windows I have selected over here. Now once you have selected this, click on the go to downloads page button. When you click on this button, you can see two options are available. One is the web community and other one is your normal when without internet also you can use. So click on that option. Here don't go for the login and sign up section, just click on no thanks, just start installation. You can see it will start downloading the MySQL. It will take some time to install. You have to wait till then. It will be installed in your system's download folder. We have to wait till installation will be done. Now see few seconds are remaining for the installation. Now go to the downloads folder. Here you can find out the MySQL installer is there. You can double click on that. Once you double click on that, it will going to start downloading, like this option will appear. Now from here you have to select the full installation where so that you can apply all the operations on the MySQL. So here you just click on the full option and click on the next button. Okay, so that all the features will be available. So once you click on the next button, you can see it will start working, and now it will check requirements are there. It will be asking to you to install the Visual Studio, Python, like that, but right now I'm not going to install it. You can skip it, click on the next. It will let you give the warning that you have to pass that check or not. You just click on yes, don't accept the installations, and you can see all the required files are there. You have to click on the execute and you can get all the features of MySQL from here only. Click on execute. It will start installing all the required file for you. Now once the installation is done, click on next. Here you can see product configuration details are specified that include MySQL server, routers. Just click on next. Now here the default configuration details are there. We don't need not to make any changes here. We just have to click next. Now authentication method is there. No need to change anything. Just click on the next button. Now here you can provide the password for MySQL. You can give it any password that you want. Repeat the password once again. End user option is also there, but we don't need to add a user right now. So we can leave this section. So click on next. After that, you can see Windows service options, we don't need to make any changes here. We just click on the next button. Now it will apply the configuration for all the files and requirements. Just click on the execute button. So it will install and apply all the configurations required for MySQL here. Once all the things will be done, you have to click on finish button. Now you can see the required product configurations are given over here. Click on the next again. Now click the finish button and next. Now whatever the password you have set earlier, you have to enter that password again over here and click on check. It will verify that you have provided the right password or not. After that, you have to click on the next button, then execute it and click on finish. And see, after this all these steps, this is the last final step where you have to click on finish. Now our MySQL is installed. We go to open this MySQL client installation. Now you can see I've started MySQL command line. It will ask the password. I will give the default password. Here in the prompt I will write create database and the name of the database what I want to give. So I am here giving the DB name for the database. Now it's saying that it is query is executed. Now I am using the database. Now I am ready to execute the SQL queries. So now this is the steps that you have to follow for the installation of MySQL.